Hey everyone, today I'm going to be putting on these rear corner lights. I already made a video about the front ones not too long ago, both the turn indicators and those guys. So these came from AliExpress in a kit that was $25 for both front and back. Front ones still work, they're doing all right. So my main complaint was that they're sort of pixelated instead of just being a nice solid line, but that's the same thing that happened with these indicators. So it's consistent at least. I decided that I'm just gonna jack up the car. I know you technically don't need to, but just to make things easier, I'm gonna jack it up. That's pretty good clearance up there. Put the jack stand, the jack stands in. Always gonna want to line it up with the pinch welds. Assuming these are the pinch welds. So okay, it seems like, there's multiple ways you can approach this. So you can either peel this fender liner back, which I saw one channel do, or you can lift the car up like this. So the light's right there. You can see the plastic tabs. There's the screw. Okay, there we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, so now I just gotta work with these tabs, I guess. Oh, great. Okay. Yeah, should have predicted that happening. Okay, so this harness you just twist off. The tabs obviously just broke. I kind of anticipated that happening. Okay, the light bulb should just sort of okay. Light bulb should just sort of pop out. Yep. There you go. Cool. So now we sort of have to figure out which side is positive and which side is negative. Again, does not help that I'm colorblind. So I think it looks like right is positive, left is negative. So not the right one. This one. So we look at this. So we want positive on the right side, negative on the left side. There is no satisfying click, which sort of happened last time. Hello. All right, be right back. There, they were. Oh, geez, they work along with these guys right here. Cool. Pop this little harness back in. Line up that tab. Peel that off. That's pretty far in there. I mean, that seems fine. Boop. Starting to rain again. Fucking fantastic. All right, time to move that over and then work on the other side before it starts pouring. Found a light. Very helpful, I think. Oh yeah, got it loose immediately. Alright, now is it loose? I mean, is it out? I think so. Okay. Whew. That's done. Ah, my light. Okay. Where am I? Okay, well, there's a thing up there. So we have the tabs. Yep, broke that. Brilliant. God damn it. Come on, just come out, bud. Just come out. We know you want to come out. Oh, look, I can reach it from right here. Oh my God, thank God. Okay. Oh yeah, and then I gotta release the harness. Duh. Okay. Give her a little twist, right? Okay. Bye-bye. Then also, I think we should be able to see, it appears black is going to the side that's closest to the car. What do I mean closest to the car? Confuse myself. I think black is on the right. I mean the left. Black is going that way. Let's just see. We can just test it. That's the beauty of this shit. Okay. Okay. It's on. Yep, there you go. Perfect, brilliant. Yeah, still no satisfying click, but it is what it is. All right, you can turn this off. Beep. Boop. Pop that over there. Upside down. Yeah, there's already dust on it. Brilliant. Boop. Awesome. Now what else? I think besides the one screw, which is right here, we're all good. I'm not putting that screw back in, fuck that. So I'll put this away, and then I'll put this away, I'll put everything away. Should be all good. Cool. All right, now move jack stands. All right, tighten back up. Want to move those bricks.